Okay, this is a demo for the instruction manual of how to do a single tap CT, one with just X1, X2, doesn't have the whole multi-tap protocol to go along with it. So I have here is I have the control page, I have the news feed, I have a delete key where I can delete the news feed, I have a generate report key which will install whatever is in the news feed, will add the news feed contents to the database, and then a view report where you can view the data sheet on any data that's been entered into the database. I have entered a description job data here, Orange Grove, Breaker 201, job number 10,002, Riverline A-phase load. The breaker and the job number have to be integers, they have to be numbers. I'm going to post this data. That will open a row in the database. Okay, going over to the test set, I'll select the ratio mode. Now, since the test set was on, I want to make sure the test set has the latest file heading data so it goes in the right place in the database. So I press update. See, it says downloading, updating, Orange Grove, Baker 201, job 10,002. So I verified that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I know this is below 2,000 to 5, or it's below 8,000 to 5, so I'm going to go to the low range, turn the output on, increase the variac, this is done automatically on a multi-tap, but single tap is a little different here. Okay, now I'm going to wait for the ratio to stabilize. Okay, it says 2000.2 basically. So I'm going to FTP this to the server. It says upload on the screen. It has uploaded the data. Coming over here to the screen, I now have the data. It says Breaker 201, job 10,002. I verify that. The output voltage, the input voltage, the ratio, it's all there. Okay, the next step in doing a current transformer, of course, is to do a saturation test. But first I'll run the variac all the way down here. I don't want to leave any residual magnetism in there. Turn the output off. Go to the main menu. Touch saturate. I know it saturates over 200 volts, so I'm going to hit high range saturation. I'm going to turn the output on, and I'm going to hit auto. It says auto start. Now it's going to ramp up the voltage, and it's going to start collecting voltage and current data. When it saturates, the letters SAT will appear under amps on the screen, and that is the saturation point as measured by the distortion algorithm. Now it's saturated. You can hear the hum from the CT. It drives it into deeper saturation here. It has now plotted the curve on the screen. The variac has been run down. Turn the output off. I'm going to hit FTP again. Go over here and I can see the saturation data. Breaker 201, job 10,002 has appeared down in the news feed. When I click generate report, I just clicked it. See that in a few seconds, the news feed data disappears because this data has now been incorporated in the database. It's no longer news. View report, Breaker 201, and job number 10,002. There's the data. You can see Orange Grove, Riverline, A-phase, load side CT, Breaker 201, the job number, got the ratio, and the saturation data of the CT. So it has the date and UTC timestamp. That is all there is in testing a single tap CT and creating a data sheet. I can also save it to the flash drive. Instead of pressing FTP, I can press save on the screen, and it will save it to this same data to the flash drive. I can then pull the flash drive out, put it in the PC, open the text file on the flash drive, and read it and put it in whatever kind of data sheet form I want. Thank you for watching.